Hey guys, welcome back to Diana. We got us a studio recording of a cover of We Were Thought to Be Birds. Let's see what's up. Let's see what Diana can do with this. Oh, stereo sound. Oh, I was told I got CC. Perfect. I think. Cool, cool. Strong voice. I have no idea what she's saying, though I don't have CC on, so it's not working. So she could be saying anything. I'm messing. Let's see if it actually works. I don't know. Oh, it does. Cool. Ah, that's what it means. The song title.
Не отворачивай голову птицами с волшебными лицами, чистыми, высокими, гордыми,
Excellent English.
птицами, летящими за море, чтобы вернуться и заново в клюве, как созвездие спицами. Помнишь? Нас учили быть птицами.
Let's go. That oh is very catchy.
Птицами. Нас учили быть птицами.
I'm not gonna sing.
Птицами. Помнишь? Нас учили жить с песнями. Как нам не сиделось за
I told you,
партами.
fun lyrics. I knew it.
Мы бежали в рай наш туда, где под лестницей маялась гитара инфарктами.
Guitarra.
И
Гитара.
не поняли, не открыли мы, трогая ресницы ресницами, что уже тогда были с крыльями. Помнишь, нас учили быть птицами.
That's me singing along. My head. It's a fun song though. It's a fun song.
Нас учили быть птицами. Птицами. Нас учили быть птицами.
It's a fun song. That's all I gotta say. It's very catchy. Very entertaining. Guitars. Instruments. Going wild. Yeah.
Помнишь,
Just having fun.
нас учили быть
It's good.
птицами, чистыми, высокими, гордыми, птицами с волшебными лицами. Помнишь, нас учили быть птицами.
Man, it's catchy, man. It's catchy.
Птицами. Нас учили быть птицами. Птицами.
Great voice. Once again. We all know that.
Нас учили быть птицами.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. It's a great song. It's actually a really, really catchy song. This is the type of song that, you listen to it or I listen to it and I go do like some stuff around the house and it like stays in my head even though I don't know the lyrics, but the beat and the like it stays there, you know what I'm saying? It's a very catchy song. It's very cool. And Diana of course performed it perfectly. I mean, she has the voice for it, right? It's a strong, present voice. It's perfect. This is kind of like actually this would be the kind of song that I would bring up in one of the competitions, that she like participated in. I think this would be one of them because it's so fun. It gets the crowd moving, the judges, like makes them move and stuff. She can showcase her voice, um, and leaves everybody like in a good mood. So this would be one of them. It's not a very complex song, but it's really fun. So, anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you. Peace.